Welcome to Study Success Strategies. In today's video, we'll explore some effective note-taking techniques to help you maximize your study sessions. Technique number 1, Cornell Method. The Cornell Method is a popular technique that involves dividing your paper into 3 sections: notes, cues, and summary. Technique number 2, Mind Mapping. Mind mapping is a visual way of organizing information. Start with a central topic and branch out to subtopics and related ideas. Technique number 3, Highlighting and Color Coding. Highlighting key points and using color-coded pens can help you quickly locate and review essential information. Technique number 4, Abbreviations and Symbols. Using abbreviations and symbols can save time and make your notes more concise, allowing for easier review later. Technique number 5, Visual Representation. Incorporating visual representations, such as diagrams or illustrations, can enhance understanding and aid in memorization. By implementing these note-taking techniques into your study routine, you'll improve your comprehension, retention, and ultimately, your grades. Don't forget to subscribe for more study success strategies. Thanks for watching, and remember, with the right strategies, you can achieve academic success. Happy studying!